Hey guys, so I am here to talk a little bit about Box Halal and also share my delivery. So Box Halal is a halal meat delivery business based out of Chicagoland, and we deliver all across the United States. It takes about 2 to 5 days, and you'll have this meat directly at your door. I'm gonna go ahead and just go and show you what I received today. So first thing you'll get is this thank you for your order with some of our information, and on the back is actually a QR code, so you can go ahead and go on our website and see all the recipes. We're packaged in green cell foam to make sure it's eco-friendly. First thing you'll see is the dry ice. This is what's keeping the meat frozen. And inside here we have beef franks, so I can make some hot dogs at home. And Wagyu steak. So I got 2 of these. If you haven't had this yet, you definitely need to try it. It is the best steak you can get. Super tender, super juicy. Seriously, if you haven't tried it yet, definitely get your hands on it. And that's my dinner for today. If you have any questions about Box Halal, definitely reach out, email, Instagram, or go ahead and visit the website.